Here I am at what feels like the end. So I come to you, my Lord, again, with this burden buried deep within this heart that you have made. And in this trial that I'm going through, and I don't question, cause I know it's true, that the sorrow brings me back to you, and you have made me stronger. It's been 40 days and 40 nights down the road of many trials, and I pray it's only for a season, cause in the wilderness and in the flood, you're the one I'm thinking of, and I know you brought me for a reason. I have one more thing I've got to say.